Yeah, stay on that, Tess. Stay on that. There you go. Stay on it. Okay, you're dropping. Yeah. Watch the cage. Taz, you want to get your tire on here? What? Get on that big rock right there. Okay, up. There you go. Stay on that, yeah. Okay, now you gotta turn onto this. Oh, you need a rear dig. Oh yeah, just come down that way. Stay on that rock, stay on it, yeah. You're gonna come down through here now. Whoa, whoa. Stay close to that rock. Whoa, stay close to the rock. There you go. You're gonna come down this way, buddy. Hang on, let me get through. Hang on, you're good. Stay to the left. All right. Yeah. Oh, that was classic, buddy. That smile before it ended.